everyone, this is Annette, PurplePaisley Planner, and I'm doing my unboxing. This is the unboxing of the Go Getter Girl Company unboxing. I just got my box, and I'm going to show you. Hold on. I got two packages. Here's the first one, and I'm going to try to zoom it in. It says plan your life and dreams. So here we go, and I'm going to open it. And look at it says officially yours. Go getter, don't wait for magic to happen. With love from us to you. Cheers on your next chapter. Isn't it? And she signed it. So, and I'm going to show you the box. Hopefully this will come through okay. So you get the card. And let me see. Make sure I don't have no code on it. Yeah, it's got a code on here. So you get a card. It's a welcome card. And then my invoice, my receipt. And look. So I'm going to take this out of the box. Hold on. Because it comes like this. See? And then I got this too. And all these other goodies. Ooh, look at all these. And the box is nice. Okay, so I'm going to put the box to the side. Okay. So here's this. Okay. So hopefully you can see this. Let me make sure. I just want to make sure you see this, okay? This light is so bright. Okay. Okay. So here's the first one. Oh, this is nice. Hold on. And I got these here. I'll put this to the side real quick. Put this over to the side real quick till I get to it. Okay, so it comes like this. It comes in a pretty bow. Isn't this a pretty bow? I like this. She packaged this so well. I love the packaging. It's A+, but I don't want to ruin the bow, so I'm just going to slide it. So I'm going to put that there. Go get a girl. And then I'm going to... Oh, this is nice. It's bubble wrapped. And then it's got the plastic, so I'm going to take the plastic off. See this? This is beautiful. It says, Go Get a Girl. It's gold foiling with the little foil gold. I like this with the stars. And you can take this off so you can see how it looks. See, it says Go Get a Girl. And then this here is a 3-in-1 planning system. Go Get a Girl Everyday Book Planner. Planning daily spreads. Vertical monthly calendar. Monthly goals, monthly budget, and weekly quotes. And the creation section is personal development and goal setting, pre-planning section, extras and note in the back, and it's 125 GSM paper. And it's undated, so this is nice. So let me show you. Isn't this nice? A go-getter is an independent woman who knows what she wants and how to get it. She will not stop until she is satisfied what she has achieved. She speaks her mind and stands up for what she believes in. I'm loving that. And look at this. Isn't this nice right here? And it lays flat, you see? It lays flat, and it's tab. So here's the create tab. And then here's the plan tab. The biggest limit to everything you want is your mindset. Go getter. This is just so cute, and it's undated. So you can use it anytime. It's got the days of the week. I'm just skimming through it real quick. It's got weekend, and then the days of the week. And then let me see what the next tab is. I think that's it. It just has those tabs. And then this right here, it says extras. The time to go after your dreams is now. And you got an address book here. A list. Notes. And it's got a pocket in the back. I like that. Look, it's got a pocket. I am really like it. It's giving you enough pages. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so let me put that right there. And then let me show you my next. These here I got. So I got my little Post-its here. Let's see it. And I could put this in my planner. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is nice. I'm loving the Post-its. All this here. See that? I'm just loving the Post-its. This only bent because when I opened it, it bent back. See, it bent back. But I'm liking it. And it sticks really good. So there's that. And then I got these snaps that you can snap in my notebook, which I'm going to show. It's like little bookmarks. See? So I'm going to put this right here for right now. And then a little card. It says Euphora, and it says thank you. Okay, so let me show you my other goodie. Here's another one. Okay, here's my stickers. So let me show you my stickers. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Go Get a Girl stickers. Here's that. With the gold foiling, I'm loving that. Here's this. Really nice. Here's this. I gotta get my craft room clean. I got boxes everywhere. Here are the boxes with the words, the scripts. I love the coloring. Here's some big boxes. And it's got some rose gold foiling on there. And then here's that plan with the little coffee right there. I just love that with the gold foiling. So there's that. Now let's get to this. And it's got the wrapping, so I'm gonna take the wrapping. I took off the bubble. This is kind of quick, ain't it? There we go. And it has this here Go Getter Girl 2021 planner. And this here says Go Getter Girl Signature 6 Months Planner, July 2021 to December 2021, which is good. So it's the last 6 months of this year. And I'm going to start it today. Plan your life and dreams. 5-in-1 planning system. Go Getter Girl Signature Wired Planner. It has holidays and dates included. Planning daily spread. Weekly overview. Landscape monthly calendar. Monthly goals, monthly budget. Weekly goals. Bonus monthly vision board. So you get 6 months to do your vision board. Creation section, personal development and goal, pre-planning section, extra and notes in the back, and it's 125 GSM paper. And she's got her website there, which I'm going to also include it in the description. Oh, look at it. So I get one with here, but I got some extras too. So I'm going to show you here. And he's got the same quote here. I just love this. You got that. Gives you an overview what's in this book. See how to use it. And then you got to create. And you got your tab, and it got to create. And your goals. And your fears. First is reality chart. Manifesting your goal. I like that. Oh, I'm loving this. It's got your roadmap. So I could snap this here. See how she included this? So I could find it, and I could put it anywhere I want. So I'm going to put it here. So, right here. There, see how easy that was? There we go. There's that one. And here's the plan. The biggest limit to everything you want is your mindset go-getter. And here you go, your pre-planning with your month in the view. And there's your July. And here's your holidays. And I like how this could fold back. So I could fold it back like this. See? So you can see the holidays. And I can fold it back this way. See? So that's what I love about this. And then here's your month. See? So here goes July. And it's got it dated. And you got your 4th of July, which is on a Sunday, which is today. I like that. And then here's this. Monthly goals, action step, monthly budget. And then here's your vision board. So you could do your vision board. See that? And then you flip it, And finish the other side of your vision board. And then here's your successful person had a day one. Let today be yours. See that? And it has all these marks. So I got these extra marks, bookmarks. See? So I just snap it like this. See? It's easy. Easy peasy. You see that? Easy peasy. I love these bookmarks. Okay. And another right here. Pause and reflect. See? And then here's August. See, it's all tabbed August. And it does the same thing. In September. I just like this. October is my month. October is my month. That's my birthday month. So here's your monthly goals. Action step, monthly budget. Every month is like that. So here goes October. This is my year. October. My birthday's on the 12th, October 12th. So I could put my birthday balloons right here. You'll see me personalizing this. I just love this. I love it. And I'm gonna open this up. And then it goes November. So all of them, I like how you could turn this to do your horizontal. And here December. And then here goes the extras. So this is the extras. The time to go after your dreams is now. And there's your extras. Here's your address book. Passwords, so you can keep track of your passwords. Your list. And if you're going to be putting your password in here, you need to keep this, you know, within your reach. You know what I mean? Notes. Yeah, keep it where no one can see your passwords. And then notes again. And she gives you a lot of pages for notes. I like that. There's a lot of pages. There's a lot of pages. And I'm going to skim through. And you got a folder pocket. So you can put invoices, receipts, anything. There's stickers. So if you want to put your little tab, your little bookmarks, that's what I call them. You could put them in here in your pocket. See? Just like that. And there's the back. And it's got a pocket in the back too. So I like this. So I love this book. It's the nicest book. She went out of her way with this book. With this planner. Just beautiful. And it's really quality. It's good quality. Good quality. See? Good quality. I'm just loving it. Good quality. A good quality book. I just love this book. I love the stars. I love the stars. Look at that. It's got her Go-Getter company, Go-Getter Girl company, and it's got her website right there in the back. I just like this. It's just so pretty. And now let me show you my other thing I got. Here's my other package. I'm going to put this right here. I got another package from her. It was put in a bubble wrap. Excuse me. I'm going to take it out of the bag. Oopsie. It's got my invoice. go. Okay. Oh, I got a postcard. It's got another code in the back. And look. This one's wrapped nice too. I got this in lavender and lilac purple. You know how I love my purple. And look at this. Isn't this nice? It says Go Getter. It's got the ribbons. And look at this. It's dot grid. And the reason I'm doing this, because I'm going to be doing bullet journaling. So I'm going to do bullet journaling and I'm learning my lettering. But look at this. It's just nice. So all of these pages is just dot grid. And this is good quality paper. So that's what I got this because I'm going to be doing bullet journaling. Yeah. She had a big sale going on. She was on her Instagram. And she said, don't forget to check this out. You're going to have to get this. And sure enough, I said, I'm going to get it. And I got it. Yeah, she did her Instagram. She welcomed me. And she's the nicest person. She was doing her live stories. So I just love this. This is really nice. So that's all my Happy Mail, my unboxing. I got a couple more I'm going to be doing videos on. But this is just super nice. I'm just super happy. I like her company. This is her card in her company. Just really nice. Just really nice. Euphora. So thank you everyone for watching. Everyone have a super blessed day. Super blessed day. Stay positive. And I love you all. Everyone take care. Bye-bye.